Welcome to Learn English with Mary and Sam. Today we're going to explore how to visit a bank and handle money matters in English. Whether you're opening an account, making a deposit, or asking about loans, knowing the right phrases can help you communicate more effectively.
That's right, Mary. Banking and financial conversations are common, and they can lead to some great discussions. Let's get started.
Let's start with some common phrases for visiting a bank. You can say, "I'd like to open a new account," or "Can I make a deposit?"
Exactly. And if you want to ask about specific services, you can say, "Do you offer online banking?" or "Can I get a debit card?"
Let's look at a scenario where we're visiting a bank. "Hi, I'd like to open a savings account."
Certainly. What type of account are you interested in?
"I'm not sure. Can you explain the options?"
For more advanced learners, let's look at some sophisticated expressions. You can say, "I'm interested in investing," or "I need advice on managing my finances."
That's a great one. Another advanced expression is, "I'm looking for a loan," which shows a specific financial need.
Let's explore these phrases in different contexts. For example, you could say, "I'm interested in learning more about investment options."
When discussing banking and money matters, cultural context is important. In some cultures, privacy is highly valued, while in others, financial discussions are more open.
That's right. Understanding these nuances can help you navigate social situations more smoothly.
For example, in many Western cultures, discussing personal finances is generally private, while in some Eastern cultures, financial discussions might be more open among family members.
Exactly. And in some African cultures, community support and shared financial responsibilities are common.
One common mistake is using expressions that might be unclear. For example, saying, "I want to put money in the bank," without specifying the type of transaction might not be enough.
Exactly. Instead, you could say, "I'd like to make a deposit," or "Can I withdraw some cash?" When discussing banking, remember to use the present simple for regular activities. For example, "I usually bank online," or "I make deposits every week."
That's right. And don't forget to use "would like" for polite requests. For instance, "I would like to open a new account, please."
Now, let's get interactive. We want to hear from you. What's your favorite banking service? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
That's right. And if you have any questions about banking, feel free to ask.
We'll also give you a quick quiz. Can you think of a situation where you would use the phrase, "I'd like to open a new account"? You might say, "I'd like to open a new account" if you're visiting a bank for the first time.
Exactly. For example, "I'd like to open a new savings account, please."
Let's do another role play to practice discussing banking services. Imagine you're asking about loan options.
"I'm interested in getting a personal loan. Can you tell me more about the terms?"
Of course. We offer competitive interest rates and flexible repayment plans.
That sounds good. What are the requirements for applying? Another scenario could be discussing investment strategies. You might say, "I'm looking for a low-risk investment," or "I'm interested in learning more about stocks."
That's a great idea. Let's explore these phrases in different contexts. For instance, you could say, "I'm interested in learning more about mutual funds." Let's do another role play. Imagine you're inquiring about credit card options.
"I'm thinking of applying for a credit card. What are the benefits of your cards?"
Our cards offer cash back rewards and travel insurance. Which one sounds appealing to you?
The cashback option sounds great. How do I apply? When discussing banking and money matters, it's interesting to note cultural differences. In some cultures, cash is preferred, while in others, digital payments are more common.
That's right. Understanding these differences can help you connect better with people from different backgrounds.
For example, in many European cultures, digital banking is widespread, while in some Asian cultures, cash transactions are still prevalent.
Exactly. And in some Latin American cultures, family support and shared financial responsibilities are common. Let's explore more cultural insights. In some Middle Eastern cultures, respect for tradition and family is emphasized in financial decisions.
That's right. And in many African cultures, community support and shared financial responsibilities are key.
Understanding these cultural nuances can help you navigate social situations more smoothly.
Today, we covered a range of expressions for discussing banking and money matters, from basic to advanced. Remember, using the right phrases can help you communicate more clearly and effectively.
That's right. Practice these expressions in your daily conversations to improve your English skills.
Don't forget to pay attention to cultural nuances to enhance your communication. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite banking phrases, please comment below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more episodes of Learn English with Mary and Sam. We have some exciting topics lined up for you in the coming weeks.
Until next time, keep practicing and we'll see you soon.